best network in America for the 7th year in a row, proving once again that there's only one best network.
You and I are in a country that's not our own. I can help you. When it comes to keeping your son alive, it's not about doing things the right way, but the wrong way. Any way you can.
Good to have you boys back.
You know how it is.
You never really left. Slow down, though. I gotta make my picks. You wanna get on this Wynn Bet with me? I like where your head's at, but Boston's not covering. Wynn Bet, huh? Yup. Bet any game, any time, then you bet with Wynn, so it's the best. You cover. Look at the numbers.
Look at the offense.
Look what, Frank, a microscope?
Go with Boston, Ben.
All right, Frank, I already made my picks. I just wanted to see you two go at it. You have an allegiance to Boston right now, but that's called common sense. Common to whom? Bostonians?
In America, the future belongs to everyone. So we built the SUVs of the future for everyone. Ford Escape and Explorer, built with Bliss to help detect vehicles in your blind spot, and with lane keeping system. Because the SUVs of the future aren't built for a few. They're built for America. Ford Escape and Explorer. Drive one today. Come into your local Ford stores for special lease and financing options on the well-equipped Ford Explorer. View more at buyfordnow.com.
Not getting the flexibility you want from other internet providers? Well, things have changed. Introducing Optimum Flexibility. Now you can choose your internet speed and change it anytime. Like high-speed 300 meg internet for just $29.99 a month. And with it, you'll get HBO Max included on us. Plus a $200 Visa prepaid card with free internet for 1 month. Take back control with Optimum Flexibility and get fast 300 meg internet for just $29.99 a month at Optimum.com today.
Dear America, I'm revving up to say, I'll always go the extra mile for you. With the latest tech and all-wheel drive. Thank you for making me the best-selling car in America. Be well, Camry.
Every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care, our no-cost service plan with tire rotations, oil changes, and more for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Find yours at Toyota.com. Toyota, let's go places.
Every morning, stay informed with Good Day New York on Fox 5.
Later today, it's America's Game of the Week as Aaron Jones and the Green Bay Packers take their 7-1 record into Kansas City with the always entertaining Patrick Mahomes and the Chiefs' offensive stars hope to heat it up. You don't want to miss the action right here on Fox, 4 Eastern, 1 Pacific.
Man, these fries are good.
Hey, we gotta go. Can't be late for the Big Ten Championship. Gotta make a pit stop. See you guys at the car.
Matt, come on, man, come on!
Surprise. What are you gonna do? Replace me?
Ever since South Bend, that guy's been a... What's up? You ever done a pregame show?
Follow the road to the Big Ten Championship with Big Noon Kickoff Saturday on Fox, sponsored by Wendy's.
Where's your uniform?
Dude, I'm retired.
Fox Wednesday, it's a wild night on television's biggest singing competitions. First on The Masked Singer, the semifinals are here. And a double elimination throws the show into chaos.
What? Are you kidding me? What?
Then it's an emotional battle on Alter Ego for the last spots in the semifinals.
I felt a lot of unexpected love.
And one avatar will stand above the rest.
Intrigue, mystery, excitement. You have all those things.
An all-new Masked Singer, followed by an all-new Alter Ego. Wednesday on Fox.
All new Friday Night Smackdown at 8 Eastern on Fox.
I got you, don't worry.
I've started guidance.
Let's take you home. This holiday season, hurry in to the BMW Road Home Sales Event and find your way home in the ultimate driving machine. Hurry in to receive a credit of up to $2,500 through November 30th.
A great scene here in Arlington earlier today. President Bush, First Lady Laura Bush, flipping the coin on this salute to service. And now at halftime, honoring 8 Medal of Honor recipients, just heroes in our country. The Medal of Honor Museum about to be built here in Arlington. And of course, a veteran, the great Roger Staubach, in attendance watching it all unfold. What a scene Some of the heroes in our military in attendance today as we celebrate Veterans Day. Back after this.
I just think it would be cool to have a real encounter with a ghost.
Hey, oh,
Sorry.
911, all new tomorrow at 8, 7 Central on Fox, or watch anytime.
Dear experts, to you, I'm the best-selling compact SUV in America, with all-wheel drive and tons of room. To our drivers, I'm unbeatable value. Let's go places. RAV4.
Right now, you can get 1.9% APR financing on a new 2021 RAV4 or RAV4 Hybrid. Find yours at Toyota.com. Toyota, let's go places.
Sunday, better.
All right, Sunday's way better. Oh, no, you can't have this.
You've been fed.
No, sorry.
Right now on McDonald's $1, $2, $3 menu, enjoy a $3.50 bundle like a bacon McDouble, double cheeseburger, or 6-piece chicken McNuggets, each paired with small fries.
Spectrum Mobile now costs just $29.99 a month when you get 2 or more lines. $29.99? Yes, and you get everything. You get unlimited data and nationwide 5G. And all you're paying is... Oh, that's what I was going to say. And all this comes on a super secure connection. $29.99.
I'm gonna go.
Are they crazy? Possibly. Are they going to change it? No, they already made the balloons. It's the best deal in mobile. Spectrum Mobile.
In America, the future belongs to everyone. So we built the SUVs of the future for everyone. Ford Escape and Explorer, built with Bliss to help detect vehicles in your blind spot, and with lane keeping system. Because the SUVs of the future aren't built for a few. They're built for America. Ford Escape and Explorer. Drive one today. Come into your local Ford stores for special lease and financing options on the well-equipped Ford Explorer. View more at buyfordnow.com.
Turn to New York's most trusted weather team. Mike, Reagan, Nick, and Audrey. Fox 5 Weather.
Is copyrighted by NFL Productions for the private use of our audience. Any other use of this broadcast or any pictures, descriptions, or accounts of the game without the consent of the